Assalamu alaikum everyone. So I'm back with the tafsir of Surah Yusuf, and in this video I'm going to be doing from ayahs number 16 to 18. So let's get started. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Ayah number 16 says, Waja'u abahum isha'an yabkun. At nightfall they came to their father weeping, the brothers of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. So let's read the tafsir. The brothers of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam came to their father at night. This was also part of their plan to go at night, as no one would go looking for Yusuf in the darkness of the night. So this was the old time, no electricity, nothing. It was the forests, trees and everything, darkness everywhere. So they knew that at night time no one would go looking for Yusuf. So they decided not to come during the day but to come at night. The next ayah is ayah number 17, which says, قالوا يا أبانا إنا ذهبنا نستبق وتركنا يوسف عند متاعنا فأكله الذئب وما أنت بمؤمن لنا ولو كنا صادقين. And said, Father, we went racing with one another and left Yusuf behind with our things, and then a wolf came and ate him up. We know that you will not believe us, howsoever truthful we might be. So let's read the explanation. The brothers cried in front of their father and told him the lie they came up with, and further blamed him for not believing them, as if it was the fault of Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam that he did not believe his sons. And they used the same fear that their father had, that a wolf might harm Yusuf, and made a story about Yusuf. So as Prophet Yaqub had said before they took him, took Yusuf away, that I am fearful that a wolf might eat him, they used the same story in front of their father, and also kind of like blamed him for not believing them. So moving on to the last ayah for today, which is ayah number 18, it says, وَجَاءُوا عَلَى قَمِيصِهِ بِدَمٍ كَذِبٍ قَالَ بَلْ سَوَّلَتْ لَكُمْ أَنفُسُكُمْ أَمْرًا فَصَبْرٌ جَمِيلٌ وَاللَّهُ الْمُسْتَعَانُ عَلَى مَا تَصِفُونَ. And they brought Yusuf's shirt stained with false blood. Seeing this, their father exclaimed, Nay, this is not true. Rather, your evil souls have made it easy for you to commit a heinous act. So I will bear this patiently and in good grace. It is Allah's help alone I seek against your fabrication. So the tafsir of this ayah is according to Mujahid and Nasudi. They slaughtered a sheep and stained Yusuf's shirt with that blood. They claimed that this shirt was Yusuf and he was wearing Yusuf's shirt, and he was wearing this shirt when the wolf devoured him. But they forgot to tear the shirt, and this is why Prophet Yaqub did not believe them and their fabricated lies. And also Prophet Yaqub must have asked them multiple times and did whatever he could do, but they were like adult sons, and he knew that he could not do much with them, so he adopted patience. And also he being a prophet of Allah and hearing about the dream of Prophet Yusuf, he knew that his son was bound to get a high position, so he adopted patience. And he knew that his sons were lying, still he did not confront them in a negative way. So this was it for today's ayahs. Inshallah I'll continue further. Fi amanallah.